I miss you doesn't actually exist in the Thai language. So yeah, Thai people don't actually miss you so much. And this argument may be quite funny because, people would say things like, well, my boyfriends and girlfriends say I miss you all the time in the texts, in the messages, and it's to the point that it sounds quite possessive. And I agree because like with my Thai friends as well, people would say things like, oh, คิดถึงนะ, which is what people perceive as the translation of I miss you in English. Or sometimes people would say, miss you or miss, which is also like another Thai version of this English word being Thaiized. People seem to throw these คิดถึง I miss you, miss you, juk juk, these sort of things all the time to the point that it makes me wonder that maybe because this word in Thai or in the Thai culture or Thai society doesn't carry this heaviness that the word I miss you carry in English. And that's why people feel so free to use it because it's more lighthearted. I think that the reason why people use it so much to the point that the original meaning of the word I miss you is diluted because the word I miss you doesn't actually exist in the Thai language. In the Thai equivalent of I miss you, which is คิดถึง, if you look at this word itself, the word คิด means to think, or in some way it can also mean thought. And the word ถึง is to reach somewhere, to arrive somewhere. So it's your thought reach to someone. So it's you think of someone basically. All right. I just want to point out one thing here. The way it comes to I miss you in the Thai version, you would notice you would have to say คิดถึง, which is thought and then arrive, think and then reach. There's no pronouns in it. There's no I and there's no you. And you know what that entails? So what that entails is that when you say something without any pronouns, then it makes the intensity lessened. It makes it weaker as a language. It makes it less serious. So think about this for 1 second. When you have to say I miss you, then I miss you is way stronger than miss ya. When you have to say I love you is way stronger than love ya or just love. So this is the Thai quirk when it comes to the language. You can say so many sentences without the pronouns. And this supports my argument that the Thai version of miss you is actually way weaker when it comes to intensity. And when you look at it from the English perspective, when you think of someone and when you miss someone, it's similar, but it's not exactly the same because the word I miss you carry the sense that someone is supposed to be there, and the fact that they are not there cause you some sort of grievance or sadness, or you carry this sense of loss because someone is not there and you want that person to be there. When you think of someone, it doesn't always carry that sense of heaviness. It just means, well, I think of you, I hold you in my thought. It can also mean that you don't even need that person to be there, but you just happen to think of that someone. And I think that's why Thai people seems to throw คิดถึง miss you all the time because they just think, okay, this is quite lighthearted. And this could also cause miscommunication because when the Thai side of things, well, when the Thai people use the word I miss you, they don't actually mean so much. They actually don't mean to make it sound possessive or too heavy, but the recipient of the message may feel like, oh my gosh, this is so sticky. This is a bit too heavy and it's a bit sweet and too sickly now. So I can see that this point of view could create some sort of tension and miscommunication. As I said earlier, that I felt this with my friends as well. As someone who's been exposed in a few cultures, sometimes when I receive a message from Thai friends who I haven't met for like 5 years or 10 years, maybe they send me a message to ask me some information. And at the end of the message, like Thai people have this habit, Thai girls in particular have this habit of like, oh, by the way, miss you. And I'm like, how could you miss me? Because you just wrote me a message to ask me this one specific question. You just wanted to request certain things. And then it came to me, yeah, they didn't actually miss me. They think of me, but because the word miss you in English is so internationalized. People just use this word in the way that it's watered down. But this is not to say that there's no overlaps between the word คิดถึง in Thai and miss you in English. It's not that the Thai people are devoid of this missing emotion because obviously you can miss your exes, you can miss your loved ones who are gone, who are abroad. This is human emotions. But when it comes to the word คิดถึง, which is the translation for miss you in Thai, the intensity is just way weaker. So people tend to use it คิดถึง as think of. And a lot of people even use this word when they end conversations. And it has become something quite similar to have a nice day, these sort of things. Another word that Thai people tend to use sometimes is นึกถึง นึกถึง is a kind of word that it's quite similar to the word recollection, like when you recall something, when something reminds you of someone. So the word นึกถึง would be used in the sense that if you know that your friend likes a certain flower and then you come across a certain flower and you'll be นึกถึง that friend. That flower reminds you of that friend. To be fair, some people would even use the word คิดถึง in this context too. So you can see that the word คิดถึง now encompass more than just one meaning. If you want more of this content, please subscribe to this channel and click like on this video and share this content with your friends. You can also help donate on buymeacoffee.com. The information is below to keep this channel afloat. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณครับ